Okay, this is the Mitsumeryl's 8A mechanical key seater. First thing to note, obviously, is you can see it's not laid over. When we have the ability, we like to just stand them up here and store them this way. You know, even though it's mechanical and not hydraulic, running them sideways is difficult and not helpful sometimes. So we fabricate just a basic stand. And, you know, because it's such a big machine and it does move, we do always like the forklift under them for a test run, just a bit of extra support there. It should be said that should the machine be purchased, it will not ship on this frame. The frame stays here. We build it, and we did not build it with the intention of it being a crib to tie down and ship a machine in. So it would go over, go out on a truck, laid over, and supported, you know, as appropriately as could be. So we are running on 440 volts. The machine is wired 440 volts. It is your basic mechanical key seater. Try and kind of gonna have a lot of camera movement here. It's the back end of the drive there. The handle on the other side, it, you know, engages and disengages. The wheel on the end there that pushes into that gear with those little, they're like a non-metallic material. And then you have your main motor on the back there that is driven with a big wide belt chain. All right, again, sorry we're looking up, but usually the best way to do this. Basic inside of the machine. Can I get that flashlight? Sorry, I don't have light on my camera here. Probably get a better shot of it as soon as we stroke it. You know, the ways, they are not, they're bronze ways, or I don't think brass, but probably some sort of bronze. So thus the color, there is wear on them. This is an old machine. It's probably seen a lot of use in its years. So there is wear there that you can see and feel. I mean, it's a little bit, we have it oiled too, so it's a little bit hard to see exactly how smooth they are, but I mean, they have wear. That's the best way I could describe it. These two rack gears here are what you adjust a stroke with. You can adjust either way. You're just going to have to make a flat tool that goes into those holes, and these set screws there, and you just adjust those points. There is the feed up there. You'll see that working a little bit. That handle is what changes stroke up and down. You'll see how that works. And finally, the real noteworthy thing to say about this machine is that once you turn it on, when you physically turn it on, it starts cutting. There's no neutral, there's no disconnect to the drive of any kind. You hit the on button, it's either going up or going down, depending on where it is in its cycle. So go ahead and turn it on, and that will be the cutting stroke right there. You can see how it kicks that handle on the right out. Pull that handle one direction. Doesn't do it both ways. Cut again. That's the basic operation of them. That's their shut-off box right there, on and off. That's all you got. There's no other handle, no other switch. I did note that there is a lot of oil drippers on this machine. A little bit of grease, but a lot of oil drippers. The two ones in the center there, somebody pulled the lines off of them, broke them off. Looks like I don't know where they go exactly. But there are two broken lines there, so you know. This is just, this is what tooling there is. A few cutters, a couple bushings, and here's posts. Okay, if there are any questions, feel free to call.